Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video here on the Lil'X YouTube channel. I know we have been absent for a little bit, haven't been uploading recently, but it's mostly first video of 2021. It's exciting, and just in front of us we have a Fire HD8, which I literally just got in the mail like not too long ago. So we're gonna go ahead and take a quick look at it. As you can see, the front of the box, you see the Fire HD8. We turn around to the side, Fire HD8, don't really say anything. And then on the back, you have all the specs, like an 8-inch HD screen, all the Amazon capabilities that you have, which is, the reason why you get this tablet, especially if you have Amazon Prime and all that. Big reason to get this tablet. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed. As you can see on top of here, we have this little tape. Now, this little tape can be kind of hard to peel off. You gotta kind of dig it a little bit. But I mean, once you get it, you can just tear it right off. And yeah, I wish I had the sound, but this is a voiceover. I apologize for that. So we go ahead and unbox it. Open from the top, we have a little lettering, I guess, saying that it's recycled paper and whatnot. Folding the tabs to the side, we have the Fire HD8. It's a pretty simple packaging, and as you can see here, I did open it backwards. So pretty simple packaging, just slips right out. Nothing else inside the box, so we'll put that off to the side. And yes, the Fire HD8. Pretty simple tablet. It's pretty much marketed towards like media consumption. Media consumption and kids. You can also get a kids version of the tablet. And then it just comes with like your basic accessories that you'll need. So as you can see here, you have your manuals, quick start guide and whatnot, telling you about your Fire HD8, what can you do with it. You get a USB-C charger, USB-A to USB-C charger, and then you have a USB-A charger in the box. No USB-C. It's just a regular 5 volt, and then nothing else inside this little cubby where your charger and your wall plug comes in. So taking a quick look at the tablet. So we'll take off this wrapping real quick. As you can see, you can just peel it off. It's a little basic, cheap wrap, but hey, it's a basic, cheap tablet pretty much. As you can see, it's all plastic in the back, matte, and then you have your headphone jack, USB-C charger, headphone, power, volume up, volume down. At the top, you have your pair of speakers, which is surprising. They're at the top. Yeah, move around. You have a micro SD card slot. I believe on the website it says you can add up to 2 terabytes. So imagine that's a whole bunch of media consumption. Which, once again, this is what this device is marketed towards. As you can see, we try to power on this device here. Unfortunately, it came out of the box without battery. And then as you can see here, I tried to hold down. At first, I was holding the volume button, but then after trying to power it on, nothing came up. So we'll have to wait till the full review. I do have the tablet currently in my hands. Since, like I said, this is a voiceover. I've been testing it for a while, and it's a pretty good media consumption device. And then there we go, a quick unboxing of the Fire HD8. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.